So I had some technical difficulties with my time lapse, so what you see is what you get, unfortunately. Still kind of new to this video thing, so bear with me. It might suck a little bit, but I'm doing my best and I'll get better. The drone's done. I've actually flown it a few times now. It does great. I had a few little issues of my own doing that I got lined out. Seems like everything's working okay. I'm not picking up as many satellites as I think I should. I've never used one of these HGLRC M100 Pros. Quadfly is great. Still need some PID tuning. I've never done any real in-depth PID tuning before. I've only ever really flown 5-inch stuff, and most of those you can really fly on presets and they do really well. So like I said, my experience is limited with PID tuning, but I'm gonna work on that. You'll probably notice in this video it's got a little wobble and shake to it. Part of that is because it's windy from the storms coming in today. Part of that is PID tuning that still needs to be done. All in all, Quadfly is great. I'm not used to a quad this big with this much like inertia and speed. It's really cool. I'm really enjoying flying long range now. I've got this Altus, whatever you want to call it, with a DJI 04 and Crossfire. I've had it out, I think 3 or 4 miles now. It'll go further with longer antennas, but this guy, the furthest I've gone out in a straight line is 1 mile so far, which is still pretty far, but I'm thinking in terms of miles with this rig. I built this 6S 2P 21700 Lion pack out of RS50 tabless cells, 5000 milliamp hour cells. It's doing great so far. I'm not a battery expert by any means. I've only built a few of these 18650 packs before for my planes, but this big chunky boy has done really well. I got 30 minutes out of it yesterday, just kind of slow cruising, 40, 50 miles an hour or something. Today I got like 20 and some change. Like I said, it's windy. I was battling a lot of winds, but all in all, it flies great. So I'm gonna quit rambling. I'll get to the video of me flying. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.